In the order of operations, we have certain rules to follow. So in this case, we have the Bodmas. Bodmas stands for brackets, order, division, multiplication, addition, and subtraction. In the case of division and multiplication, it doesn't matter which comes first as long as we follow the rules from left to right. Also in addition and subtraction. So in this case, if we have 2 times 4 plus quantity 2 plus 3 square divided by 5 minus 3. So we have to simplify first the number inside the bracket, which is 2 plus 3. So 2 plus 3 is 5. So we just copy 2 times 4 plus, so 2 plus 3 is 5. So we have to put the bracket in it and then put the square divided by 5 minus 3. So we simplify the bracket first. Next is the order. Order is also known as the power. So we have to simplify 5 square. So copy 2 times 4 plus 5 square is 25. So it means 5 times 5. That is 25 divided by 5 minus 3. And next is, as you can see, multiply and divide. They can go together. So as long as we are doing it from left to right, so we can do it at the same time. So 2 times 4 is 8 plus 25 divided by 5 is 5. And then copy minus 3. Now we can go from left to right. So 8 plus 5 is 13. Minus 3. So 13 minus 3 is equal to 10. Okay, that's the answer. That's all. Bye.